Are you curious to see how you and I can get paid to wait? There's this company that I've been wanting to own for a long time, but it was overvalued. Right now, the price of this company has gotten to the point where I can start making money off of it by making promises to buy this company at a lower price. Right now, this company is selling at about $97 per share, but I want to buy it at a discount. If I make a promise to buy at $95, someone out there is willing to pay me $415 to about $420 for the contract. One thing you have to remember with options is that one contract equals 100 shares of stock. So this $4.50 is actually $415 for that promise. But if I want to buy this stock at an even lower price, for example, $86, someone out there is willing to pay $168 to about $170 for the promise that I'm making. And no matter what happens, I get to keep that money. That amount gets credited to me the moment that I make the promise. And all I have to do in the next 35 days is to wait and see if the price of that stock will go down to the price that I want to buy it for. If the stock price goes down to my target price, then I still keep that money that I made for making a promise, plus I get to buy the stock at the price that I like. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, that's what I thought too. But the super investors had been using this strategy, and common folks like us, we had to learn these things at a later date. But it's better late than never. If you want to fully understand this concept, listen to my presentation where I go over how it works for all the parties involved in the transaction. Head over to my website and schedule an appointment with me. A session can be paid off with just one option trade.